You want to burn fat fast and boost your energy in just minutes? No gym needed. Let's start right now. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And please share this video with others who might benefit. Your support is greatly appreciated. Let's start with leg rotations. Lift your knee up and gently rotate it outward. Keep your balance steady. Now switch sides and repeat. Raise your arms up, swing them down, keep it smooth and energetic. Twist side to side, engage your core, keep breathing steady. Drive your right knee up, pump your arms, keep it strong and fast. Switch to your left leg, drive it up, keep your rhythm going. Reach across, tap your foot, engage your core with every move. Step out, step in, stay light on your feet, keep it quick. Bounce side to side, keep your fists up, stay light and active. Tap your heel forward, twist your body, stay controlled. Tap your heel forward, twist your body, stay controlled. Lift your leg, pull your arms down, switch sides, keep it powerful. Lift your leg, pull your arms down, switch sides, keep it powerful. March fast, lift your knees high, pump your arms, give your best. Bend forward, reach your toes, relax and stretch. Hold your foot behind, keep balance, feel the stretch. Pull your arm across your chest, or relax your shoulders, breathe. Please comment your feedback below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay tuned. See you in the next session.